We regard MSMEs as a backbone of our economy. This sector accounts for over 90% of jobs in Jamaica and have the potential to create many new jobs. They must be nurtured and they must be supported at all levels.
That's why the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, through the Jamaica Business Development Corporation and the private sector, has launched the Mobile Business Clinic initiative. It's another strategic move to create jobs and grow the Jamaican economy, a priority for the government. The Mobile Business Clinic is on the road, increasing the capacity of the MSME sector in every nook and cranny of the island. Launched in September 2014, the clinic has rolled through St. James and Westmoreland and is revving up to go to other parishes over the next few months until September 24, 2015. That's when the pilot phase of the 3-year program is expected to be completed and evaluated before it proceeds into 2016. What's the program about? It's all about providing business advisory services, increasing market access and market entry, providing training, capacity development and technical support, and promoting sound entrepreneurial practices, all while educating the MSME sector about government's business reform agenda.
We will be offering services such as the registration of companies and the formalization of businesses. We will be helping people to start new businesses, upgrade existing ones, plan their businesses, obtain financing, and to understand the reform agenda and how it impacts on their business.
Facilitating value chain linkages through clustering and connections with business partners, project management and research training, technical assistance, business monitoring support, financial advice, tax support, and the list goes on and on and on.
Those services are being provided by the JBDC through a $13.5 million injection from the National Commercial Bank and 2 buses worth $11 million courtesy of Fidelity Motors. Other agencies have also come on board. They include JAMPRO, the Bureau of Standards Jamaica, JIPO, Consumer Affairs Commission, Tax Administration Jamaica, and the Companies Office of Jamaica.
This is a calculated, deliberate effort to strengthen and to give further support to the MSME sector in order to foster growth and improve competitiveness.
The Mobile Business Clinic rolled into St. James on November 4, 2014. With 56% of entrepreneurs not having a business plan and another 16% not having a business website, MSMEs in the parish received well-needed assistance over the 3 days.
Some of the lack of support or the reduced flow of support to your business must be due to the fact that very few of you, if any, engage in any kind of systematic outreach or marketing. We have to begin to solve that problem.
Following 3 successful days in Montego Bay, all roads led to Savannah Lamar in Westmoreland. The January 27 to 29 clinics brought out scores of entrepreneurs seeking business advice. 67% of businesses in that parish didn't have a business plan, and 39% didn't have entrepreneurship training, while only 14% of MSMEs in Westmoreland were able to access formal business financing. After the clinic, however, entrepreneurs were equipped to erase the deficits.
This is not an expedition, a fishing expedition. It has been tailored to the need assessment as you have indicated.
So far, over 570 business owners have utilized the services of the JBDC Mobile Business Clinic.
Our aim is to speed up the process of broad-based growth and economic inclusiveness in our country. We are facilitating ordinary Jamaicans in growing their business, in creating employment for themselves and others, and most importantly, in growing our country.